These directions are so cool.
This is super helpful. Thank you for helping me put this together. So the purpose of these directions is to assist us in making sure that we know how to administer the ERBs to our students. So if you press on this link, it will take you right to the login page. So in the top line, you're going to enter your email, and then in the password section, you're going to enter the password, which is ERB keys 73, and then just click here to sign in.
And that password is right in the directions, isn't it, Darcy?
Yes.
So they don't have to remember anything.
You don't have to remember anything. It's all there. So for the purpose of this tutorial video, we're going to show you how to create a list for your advisory for this student tutorial session. So we're going to go back to the first page, and if you also notice, over on the left hand side is kind of a navigation tool to help you find all of the necessary places that you might want to access later.
It's kind of like a little map that shows you where to find stuff.
Correct.
Very cool.
So here we're going to start with creating a class list. So I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to click classes. And as you can see, some have already been developed, and you can see that my name is listed after some of these. And these are the 5th grade students that will be taking the ERBs with me that have accommodations. And then I've also created a list for the 6th graders, 7th graders, 8th graders. And then Jennifer, you actually did your list already for advisory. So we're going to show you how to do one for your new class. So you'll come up to the right side of the page and click on New Class. And then you'll find your name down here.
So we're going to be Angela right now. Are we going to be Angela?
Yeah, for the purposes of just showing you what to do. So we're going to click Angela. And then we're going to come up here and save. We have to name it.
Oh, yeah, let's give it a name. Let's give it a name.
So we're going to call this
Doyle Advisory. Do we do Spaith Advisory? So we'll do Doyle Advisory. L-Y-L-E. There you go.
All right. And we don't need to put the period because it doesn't matter. So then we'll save that. All right. And then she would just need to go up to Add Students, and there'll be a drop down of your grade options, and you're just going to press on 8th grade, and then you'll actually select the students in your appropriate advisory. So for Angela, we'll start with
we got
Emma.
Emma Dulski.
Yep.
And Will.
Okay.
Erig and Jake Foster.
Okay.
And Taylor Gray.
Got it.
And Max Havoc.
Mm-hmm.
And Cush Jane. And Natanya Jones Mitchell. And Brittany Katara. Hazen O'Malley.
Where's Hazen? There we go.
And Anna Ribeiro. And Rishi Varma.
And if you make a mistake, just double click it again and it will take that person off. So then once you've added them, you would come up to Add Students once you've selected them, and voila!
Woohoo!
There's your list. So you can then click on Doyle Advisory, and it gives you a list of the students in your advisory section.
So you can kind of check to make sure that you got them all.
Yes.
Very cool. Very cool.
So that
we made
is
a list.
how you make a class list.
We made a list. Woo! There will be more coming up in terms of how to create the new test session and how students log in to take the tutorial.
All right. Thanks for your help, and we look forward to doing some more in the future. Take care.